Okay guys, today I'm making a Nutter Butter shake, which is one of my favorites. And to make that, we're gonna use our vanilla protein drink mix as the base for our shake. We're gonna use cookies and cream, Formula One shake mix. We're gonna use some powdered peanut butter. You can use the PB2 brand, or any store has this now, any grocery store. Fry's has their own brand, or Kroger, I guess, has their own brand. Walmart has their own. But just a powdered peanut butter. I also have some sugar-free butterscotch pudding mix. We're gonna use about a teaspoon of that. I have some graham crackers crumbled up for the top, and I have a few other toppings. I also have, as always, 2 cups of ice and 3/4 of a cup of water. And we're gonna put all that in our blender and mix it up. All right, that's all blended up. Again, here's that texture inside, perfect, doesn't move. It's like a soft serve ice cream in there. And now in our cup, like I said, I like the stuff on the top, it's all pretty, but I prefer to have my toppings mixed into my shake so that I can taste them. So on the side of our cup, I'm gonna put some butterscotch and some chocolate pudding just on the cup. Messier the better. A little bit of whipped cream right in there too. And now, I'm going to pour our shake in over that. And top with a little bit of whipped cream. Some butterscotch syrup. And a few more of these little crackers. And did I say it's a Nutter Butter? I think I did. Found some of these. I'm gonna put a couple of these on the top too, just for fun. And there we go.